Section 1. Reality check. Let's be honest, life in 2025 isn't cheap. Rent is up, food prices are up, energy bills are brutal. But guess what's barely moved? Wages. For most people, the money coming in doesn't stretch like it used to. And if you're starting from zero, maybe even in debt, it can feel like the system is built to keep you broke. But here's the truth, no one is coming to save you. If you want to break out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you have to take control. That starts with two simple but powerful moves. First, start tracking your money. Every pound, every penny. You can't fix what you don't understand. And once you actually see where your money's going, it becomes a lot easier to plug the leaks. Second, you need a second stream of income, whether it's freelancing online, flipping items, tutoring, or offering services locally. Side hustle is no longer optional, it's a lifeline. The sooner you start, the sooner you stop relying on just one paycheck to survive. Building wealth starts with awareness, but you can't grow what you don't measure, and you can't escape from the system if you don't play it smarter than it plays you. Section 2. A shift in mindset. You're going to start with one thing that controls everything else, your mindset. Most people stay broke, not because they're lazy, but because they're stuck in a short-term thinking. They chase fast money, quick dopamine, and instant rewards. But real wealth, it comes from delayed gratification, sacrificing a little today for a lot more tomorrow. The poor trade time for money, hours of hours, job after job, and then spend the money just to stay afloat. But wealthy people, they trade money for time. They invest, they build systems, and they own assets that make money even when they sleep. That shift doesn't happen overnight, but it comes by choosing a long-term over short-term. Ask yourself, are you thinking like a customer or a creator? Are you trying to look rich or actually get rich? The minute you stop asking, how do I make quick money this month, and start asking, how do I build something that pays me for years, that's when everything changes. Building wealth isn't a trick, it's a habit, and it starts with what's in your head, long before it shows up in your bank account. Section 3. The blueprint. Now that your mindset is locked in, let's get tactical. This is your blueprint from broke to building wealth. Step 1. Create income beyond your job. In 2025, there's zero excuse not to have a side hustle. Sell skills on Fiverr or Upwork, flip items on eBay or Vinted, start a TikTok page, teach English online, become a virtual assistant. Most of these require zero startup capital, just your time and effort. You don't need to go viral, you need to go consistent. Step 2. Track everything. Wealthy people don't guess where their money goes, they tell it where to go. Use free apps like Notion or Monzo, or just Google Sheets. Find your money leaks. £3 coffees, random subscriptions, late night Amazon orders, they all add up, more than you think. Step 3. Budget like you're broke. Even when you start making money, create a basic split, 50% for needs, 30% for goals, and 20% for wants. Keep it simple. The goal is control, not perfection. And finally, chase small wins. Don't aim to make 10k this month. Aim to make £100 online, then scale. Every small win is proof that wealth is possible for you, and momentum is a powerful thing. Start small, stay consistent, stack skills, and remember, you're not broke, you're just early in the game. Section 4. Bringing everything together. So you've started making money, you're budgeting, you've got momentum. Now it's time for the part that actually builds wealth. Investing. The truth is, you don't get rich by saving, you get rich by investing early and consistently. And here's the secret weapon: compound interest. That's when your money starts making more money, and over time, the snowball grows on its own. Start with what you can, even if it's just £25 a month. Look at beginner-friendly platforms like Vanguard, Trading212, or eToro. For US viewers, Fidelity or Robinhood are great options. Stick to simple things like index funds, S&P 500, or ETFs. They're low risk, low fees, and build for long-term growth. Automate it. Forget about timing the market. Time in the market is what builds freedom. And here's the mindset shift that set you apart. Stop chasing quick money, start building quiet wealth, the kind that grows in the background while you're living your life. To wrap things up, track your money, start a side hustle, build discipline, invest consistently, and give it time. You don't need to be lucky, rich, or born into the right family. You just need to start today. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a plan, and you're now on the path.